Yo, y'all. So what's good, y'all? Alright, so first things first, I'm back once again. It's been a long time since I did one of these vlogs, but as you guys see in the thumbnail, this video is basically going to be explaining how I made 5 figures being a real estate agent in a month. So alright, so here's the story. Also, y'all, excuse me, right now I'm actually like looking up like properties for like my new clients or whatever, but getting to the nitty-gritty or whatever. I mean, some of y'all might think this is clickbait. I really don't care. Y'all gonna watch the video regardless, because it's about money. Alright, but basically here's how I made 5 figures being a real estate agent in a month. So essentially what I did was, a lot of y'all who know me, like, locally or anything like that, a lot of y'all know that I've been in real estate for like almost 3 years now. So with me being in real estate almost 3 years, I done took a lot of losses. Like my first year real estate, I took it like so bad. Like I was just losing so bad. Right now we're offering I really didn't have like the proper education in real estate, as far as knowing what to do and actually learning how to do things the right way. Basically I wasn't taught how to do things the right way. It's not really my fault, because one thing about real estate is it's a really tough game. Really tough game. Like if nobody reaches their hand out to help you, it's kind of like swimming on your own. Or like, I don't even know if that's a good scenario, but I don't know. Y'all excuse me, it's been a long time since I did a video, like a very long time. But so fast forward, my first year in real estate, I think I did pretty good. I sold one house. I sold one house. That was good for me, but it started to get frustrating to where I couldn't sell any houses or anything. And then also, I also didn't really know what to do. Like nobody really teaches you how to be a real estate agent. Unless you you have a great mentor or somebody who takes you under their wing, you don't really know what to do. And in my case, of course you guys know, like, I'm gonna make money one way or another. So, of course, I got the thealexanderbrand.com. I got the Shopify sites that I built for people. I have a lot of other streams of revenue. So it's not like, I'm hurting or whatever. Also, like, I'm a college student and whatnot. So, it's not like, I was hurting, but it's like, dang, I'm in this professional field and I'm not really succeeding at it. I'm just in a hard place. I got a rock in front of me that I don't know how to get up, basically. So fast forward to 2021, and miss COVID and things like that. So early 2021, y'all, real estate was kind of going in the same direction as far as last year, 2020, my 2020 for me. It was kind of going in the same direction. I wasn't really, getting that many clients. I wasn't really dealing with that many clients, or clients with, they wouldn't trust me because of how young I was. A whole bunch of stuff, just crazy. And then, what made it worse was that COVID hit. So with COVID hitting, I was like, bruh, at this point, I just need to go focus on getting the money or whatever. Because also, like, during the time when COVID hit, it kind of messed up the thealexanderbrand.com, because a lot of the revenue for the thealexanderbrand.com was coming from pop-up events, which were outside, and then we were shut down. So, that kind of hurt me a little bit. But, in the midst of, the pandemic or whatever, I ran into one of my older mentors in this program that I used to be in younger. Turns out, he's a real estate agent, a well-established real estate agent. He's Willie Demps. He's the leader of the team that I'm on, the real estate team that I'm on now. So upon getting on that team, you know, and, you know, staying down for a couple of months, you know, basically, he took me under his wing, you know, taught me everything that I needed to know about real estate the correct way, you know. And one thing that he taught me was, you know, things are gonna start hitting for you when you actually know what you're doing, you know. And it actually, you know, it kind of opened my eyes up to, was like, you know, at the end of the day, like, I had a real estate license, you know, I had clients or whatever, but I didn't know what I was doing. And turns out, you know, actually, you know, taking the time out, you know, to listen to his mentorship, things like that, you know, getting on this team, you know, learn how to do this, learn how to do things the proper way, learn how to handle every different situation in regards to, you know, dealing with clients or anything like that. It started working for me. And then, you know, after being on the team for, you know, about a couple months, I started getting properties under contract, bro. Like, matter of fact, I had 5 contracts, you know. I had 5 houses under contract, yo. Y'all already know me, like, man, this is raw and uncut, so I ain't editing nothing out. But y'all gotta excuse me, like, I be thinking about a lot when I be living. I be thinking about like 50 different business ideas, so that's why, you know, I'm kind of like all over the place. But basically, you know, after I got trained the right way, like I was supposed to, like, not what I was supposed to, but, you know, somebody was being generous, you know, took me under their wing or whatever. So with that being said, after doing that, you know, I started working with some clients or whatever, even working with some of my old clients, and I actually started getting them under contract, like, fast. You know, I got like 5 people under contract within like a month span or whatever. Now, getting to the parts, you know, how I made 5 figures was actually, it's actually low-key clickbait, but I made close, though. I did make 5 figures, but not from real estate all the way. Other things that I do outside of real estate, but, you know, I made, you know, close to like 10 grand this month, August, selling all of those houses, because, you know, all of these houses started closing in the month of August. You know, they finally got closing dates, and from there I've been up, you know. And then, you know, I got another closing coming up. It was actually supposed to close today. You know, that would have been some more bread. But the moral of the story is, you know, the main way, you know, to make any amount of money, you know, being a real estate agent, is, you know, taking the time out to learn and accept the things that you don't know. Also, be willing to learn from anything. Like, you know, I'm the type of person, bro, even if I know everything, I'm still going to try to learn everything I need to know. Or I'm going to even learn from that person who don't know nothing. Like, that's the type of person I am. That way, you know, I can get better. And, you know, also, you know, even though, you know, this business is a competition based, you know, it's competitive or whatever, you know, always, you know that you're not in competition with nobody but yourself. You know, you compare yourself to other people, you know, it's really kind of, your ego's going to hurt you if you end up losing. You lose long enough. You keep losing, your ego's gonna hurt or whatever. But moral of the story, you know, that's how I pretty much, you know, made 5 figures in real estate in 1 month. So also, y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share. I'm bringing back content to the YouTube channel. The podcast is most definitely coming back. Be sure to shop thealexanderbrand.com. Other than that, you know, peace. I'm actually on the way to go show a house right now. I might even add some footage of that, like, towards the end of this video. Not really sure yet, but, you know, if so, matter of fact, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So, y'all, we're not gonna end this right now. We're just gonna pause it. So, yeah.